Looking for a fun and affordable winter activity? Towing in Barrie, Ontario is the perfect way to enjoy the season. Whether you're racing down the slopes with friends or just taking in the winter vibes, this is an exciting experience for all ages. Stick around as we check the best spot, tips and everything you need to know before coming to snow towing. Arriving here is easy when you take the Highway 400 from Toronto. The tickets are $40 for 2 hours on the weekend and starting prices from $26 through the week. This place has 3 different hills with different intensities and we tried all of them, of course. So we didn't have any time to waste and we made it the line to the lift and we started going up to start our adventure. The experience was really great, it was way more fun than I expected. Definitely this is something that I would repeat for next winter. And also the fun doesn't stop here. On spring you have the pond skiing, which is when the snow is melting, you have these different activities which looks really fun. So we'll see if we can make it this spring and check it out. So don't forget to like and subscribe if you really like this video and share it with your friends. And stay tuned for more.